How to download Telegram private group video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to download Telegram private group video. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Telegram, and after that just simply search for the group from where you would want to download the videos. So for example, I want to download the video from this particular private group that I am following and I have joined as a member. So as you can see that there are so many videos over here. So for example, I want to download this particular video right here. So just simply click on the three dot icon from the video itself, and over here you will be able to see the option called save to downloads. Just simply click on it, and as you can see that your video has started saving into downloads. And now all you have to do is just simply click on this particular video again and click on the three dot menu icon and click on save to gallery, and it says that would you like to save this gallery or not, all media or this media. So just simply click on this media, and now when you open your mobile settings or your file manager, under the video section you will be able to see the video that you have just downloaded right here. So I'm gonna play it for you. So here you go. So this is basically how you will be able to download Telegram private group videos. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.